Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be doing my best to explain to you guys how you can use the magic mask in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, sadly, I cannot show you exactly how it is done, since I have the free version and the magic mask is not available in the free version, so you do need to have the paid version or the premium version to actually use the magic mask, but I'll go ahead and explain to you guys in general detail how you can actually use it. Now, firstly, once you've put your video into your timeline, what you want to do is go into the Fusion tab at the bottom, and it's just the middle one out of all of these. And once you're here, you have these two nodes which you can easily use, and to actually use the magic mask you need to select the media input, which is the left node, and click Control or Command space depending on your operating system, and then you can search for the magic mask, which is this. And then if I try to add it, as you can see, I've reached a limitation with the free version. But if I selected it and if I had the premium version, what I would do then is I would get a brush, which is sort of a tool which you can use to select what you want to actually mask. And let me just go ahead and scroll a bit forward in the video. Let's say I wanted to mask this horse. What I would need to do is pretty much just draw a line along the horse or along the elements of the horse that I would want to keep. Now, you might get some other things in that mask. For example, this tree might come into the mask by accident. What you want to do in that case is simply just you'll have the option in the inspector to remove any additional things you want to remove from the mask, and then you just select them, and then hopefully the horse should be the only thing masked. And that is pretty much it. You can use, or you can mask things even differently if you would like to. You could use a polygon mask like so. However, you would need to add a merge node, and it would do pretty much the same thing. So let me just disconnect this and add the polygon to the merge, and then connect the merge to the media input and this to the output like so. And now I could possibly just go ahead and zoom into the video and mask any portion of the horse that I would like, for example this portion. And as you can see, now I could mask it, and that is pretty much what your mask will look like. Of course, it won't be flat white. I don't know why it's exactly flat white in the video, but that is pretty much what a mask is. It just selects a part of the video which you want to edit or which you want to keep unedited, and pretty much the magic mask would select the parts that you go over. And you can go over pretty much just the middle of the horse. You don't need to draw an outline like I did with the magic mask. You can just go ahead and draw it in the general shape of the horse, just so that it can detect the area around it, so that it could, you know, get the details and add it to the mask. And that is pretty much it. Again, I do regret not being able to show you guys how you can actually use the magic mask, since I do use the free version, but I hope you guys got the gist of it. If you want, there are other videos and other tutorials on the internet that you can check out, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.